Greetings from SKC. This video is regarding the consent letter that you have to collect from college office. Dear students, you have received the relevant messages on your WhatsApp groups. This is the parent undertaking that you have to collect from the college office today between 11 am to 7 pm and also on Monday between 11 am to 7 pm. Those students who do not wish to attend the offline lectures, still in that case also, even if you want to attend the online lectures, you have to collect this undertaking and you have to submit it back. Here there is mention here, there is a choice given to you whether you want to attend offline or online. In either of the cases, whether you want to attend offline or online, it is very, very important that you collect the parent undertaking and submit at the office. In order to collect this undertaking, I-card is very, very important. So, if you still haven't collected your I-card, you will have to submit the post-dated checks for this year and collect your I-card. But still, if you have not collected the I-card, what you can do is come to the college office and there is one undertaking here. So, you have to sign that undertaking and assure that within 1 week, you will submit the post-dated checks and collect your I-card. But dear students, if you don't collect the I-card in this week, then anyway, next week the access will be denied to you. So, it is advisable that now when you are coming, see to it that you bring along the post-dated checks, submit it, collect the I-card and immediately collect the consent form. While submission, they will immediately receive this gate pass. Now, what is this gate pass? In this gate pass, the seat number, your classroom number, which class you will be sitting, the timetable, the lecture schedule, and also what are the things that you will have to carry. So, all the relevant details, very, very important details related to the offline lectures will be given in this gate pass. This video is only for those 30% who still have not collected the consent letter. From today morning, 70% of students have collected the undertaking and some of them have even submitted. So, for those 30% who still haven't collected the undertaking, you will have only one more day, and that is Monday. Monday is the last chance that you will have to come and collect and also submit immediately the same day the consent form. This video applies to the 12th standard students of Nalasopara branch and the newly admitted students of 12th standard of the Vasai branch. SKC Pranam.